the phone, but the terrorists that hacked my phone and they keep cutting off my video. So I'm using this phone here. You see, this says 100, right? This says 100. Now it's blinking, but it's not blinking off the screen, but it's blinking on the screen here. But if you're actually looking at it with your regular eyes, you see, it went down to 99. That's because the terrorists that follow me around, they're actually hacking my phone. This is a newspaper article, theguardian.com. You type in the search box, is your cell phone camera and microphone spying on you? Or your cell phone camera and microphone spying on you? And under government, it shows you that these corrupt people, law enforcement, they can hack your cell phone, they can hack your computer. If they can hack your cell phone computer, can they hack the presidential elections? Can they hack your bank account? Can they hack your credit card account? Can they hack the banks? If they can hack your cell phone and computer. So, let me show you what the terrorists are doing to me. These corrupt people in law enforcement. Let me show you what these terrorists are doing to me, these corrupt people in law enforcement. According to the court case, Socialist Workers Party versus the Attorney General, these terrorists can hack into your, these terrorists break into your homes and businesses. They use their thugs to do that. They break into your homes and businesses. The court case is called Socialist Workers Party versus the Attorney General. Socialist Workers Party versus the Attorney General. Shows you that these corrupt people in law enforcement, they use their thugs, infiltrators, and informers to break into your homes and businesses. That's what they've done here. You can see that they're sanding down my shoes. These are brand new shoes. This should last me at least about 2 years. They sanded them down. And then done this to my clothes as well. To my sneakers. They cut out my sneakers. They cut out my clothes. These are corrupt people in law enforcement. Terrorists, killers, and murderers. You can see this here. Now, why did the picture go dark? Why did it go dark? You see that they're blurring the picture. The reason why they're blurring the picture is because they don't want you to see what's really going on. And that's the same thing that happens when I catch these terrorists following me around. When I take a picture or video of them, they will blur the faces that you can't really see, that is not clear, that they can't be identified as being terrorists, killers, and murderers. But that's who they are, terrorists, killers, and murderers. Break into people's businesses and homes according to the court case. They break into people's businesses and homes according to the court case, Socialist Workers Party versus the Attorney General. Are these highly extremely dangerous people? Are these highly extremely dangerous people? Break into their businesses and home. Are they highly extremely dangerous? Look here, see that? You see there? The bottom's okay, right? Remember, these terrorists, they keep cutting off my video, so if it shuts down, it means the terrorists have shut it down. If they shut it down, it means that they have shut it down. They hacked my cell phone. Here we go. See that there? Look at this here. Again, they don't want you to see a clear picture, that's why they keep blurring it. They don't want you to see a clear picture, that's why they keep blurring it. That's why the picture is not sharp. Because they don't want you to see what's really going on. Look here, it's 90. It was just 100. Now it's 90 in what? Less than what? 5 minutes? From 100 to 90 in less than 5 minutes. Because it shows you that they are hacking the cell phone. They're hacking the cell phone. Again, they're making the picture dark again. So, here goes the other shoe. Here goes the other shoe. Let's look here. See that there? Right? Okay. Now, let's check out this shoe here. Look. You see that they sanded down my shoes. Look. Do you see that? They have sanded down the shoes. You see that there? That's what these terrorists do. These are corrupt people, law enforcement, and they're thugs. These are terrorists, killers, and murderers. Again, the court case is called Socialist Workers' Party versus the Attorney General. Socialist Workers' Party versus the Attorney General. Shows you that these terrorists break into your businesses and homes, according to the court case. Look at this here. See, this is what they want to do. They want to do this to the shoe. See that there? You see the picture is dark now? That's what they're doing to the shoe. But the picture is dark, right? Because they don't want you to see what's going on. Look at that. And every time I tap the screen to get focused, it goes back to dark again. It shouldn't go back to dark. They're doing that because they don't want you to see that they're terrorists. That they don't want you to see that they're killers and murderers. So that's what they're doing to my clothes. That's what they're doing to my shoes. That's what they're doing to my sneakers. Again, these are terrorists. These are killers and murderers. And like, if you have any suggestions, please allow me to know. If you have any suggestions, allow me to know what to do against these terrorists, against these murderers, against these people who keep terrorizing me each and every day. And if you want to make a donation, because these terrorists are making me bankrupt, because they keep sabotaging my car, they keep cutting up my clothes, my sneakers, my shoes, they keep costing me money all the time. If you want to make a donation, I truly appreciate it. I put the link at the bottom of the screen that you can make a donation. And again, if you have any suggestions how to get these corrupt people, these terrorists to stop attacking me, please let me know. In the meantime, I make flyers. The corrupt cops caused 9/11 attack by attacking people. So, let's take a look here. The corrupt cops caused 9/11 terrorist attack by attacking people, making people homeless, right, and getting them fired. So listen to 23 minutes. This is Law and Disorder. This is lawanddisorder.org, dated April 29, 2019. So you listen exactly at 23 minutes. You go online, you go on your phone or computer. So you go to lawanddisorder.org, April 29, 2019. Listen exactly at 23 minutes. It mentions that these corrupt people make people homeless, corrupt people in law enforcement that make people homeless, and they get people fired from their jobs. You might know Colin, KAEPERNICK, REID, protesting police brutality. When did they lose their job? Did they lose their job before they started protesting police brutality? Or did they lose their job after they started protesting police brutality? Alright? So, what else here? Oh. Look at this here. They follow and terrorize people for years, plus sabotage their cars. Now this is another news website. This website is called democracynow.org. Democracynow.org. You type in the search box, cops slashing tires. Type in the search box cop/tires. It's dated August 11, 2016. There shows you that law enforcement follow people for years and years and years. Also, they sabotage people's cars. In the last paragraph. And like if you're interested, in this 26 paragraph, the 27 paragraph of court cops terrorists. 26 paragraph, 27 paragraph of court cops terrorists. And you can also Google councilwomen calling cops terrorists. You can also Google councilwomen calling cops terrorists as well. Okay, now. So we're talking over 3 years, police are still harassing her. So for years, law enforcement terrorized people. For years, law enforcement would terrorize people. For years. Now, if you want to make a donation, this is the link right here. If you want to make a donation, this is the link. You see https://gf. So this is the link right here. This is my email, corruptcopsattackingme@gmail.com. Corruptcopsattackingme@gmail.com. This is the phone number, 646-535-2124. If you have any suggestions, please allow me to know. And remember, keep this in mind, that these terrorists, these corrupt people in law enforcement, they can hack your bank account, they can hack the presidential election, they can hack your email, they can hack your cell phone. They've done it to me. Alright? They have done it to me. They have hacked my cell phone, they hacked my email, they would delete evidence I have against them, they have deleted video. Again, these are corrupt people in law enforcement. Corrupt people in law enforcement. And listen, don't take my word for it. You could question my ministers. They're located at 42nd Avenue and National Street in Queens, New York, Corona, New York. 42nd Avenue and National Street. We meet on Sundays. We meet on Saturdays at 10 a.m. Monday nights at 7:30 p.m. You can ask my ministers if I'm being terrorized. The evidence I show them evidence that these terrorists, they would delete video off my cell phone. I show them evidence, video evidence. So, again, so it's not just me. I showed not only my ministers, but other people as well, the video that these terrorists, corrupt people, law enforcement, are hacking my cell phone. So, anytime these terrorists, corrupt people, law enforcement, or as the American Justice Cops on Trial documentary says, these are criminals with badges. Anytime that they're attacking you, don't show 1, 2, or 3 people. You show 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 people the evidence that these people are corrupt, that these people are terrorists, that these people are killers, that these people are murderers. Okay, that's your goal. To tell the whole world, not to keep it to yourself, but to tell the whole world who they are. And the more people that they tell, is the more people that they are aware of what's going on. And if anything happens to you, they already know who have murdered you. The corrupt people in law enforcement and their thugs. That's who they are. Corrupt people in law enforcement and their thugs. They're terrorizing me each and every day. So if you have any suggestions, please allow me to know how to get these thugs, these terrorists to stop attacking me, stop terrorizing me. Again, they got Colin Kaepernick fired according to the court case, Socialist Workers Party versus the Attorney General, that make people homeless and get them fired. Colin Kaepernick, Eric Reid, football players protesting police brutality. Wouldn't they lose their jobs before they protested police brutality or after they protested police brutality? Are these corrupt people in law enforcement a danger to society? Are they a danger? They're terrorizing me each and every day. And remember, like, share, and support, because these corrupt people in law enforcement, they are hiding my video. Like, share, and support, because these corrupt people in law enforcement, they are hiding my videos. Comment if you can, if you're not being blocked by these corrupt people in law enforcement. And please donate if you can. Again, if you're not being blocked by these corrupt people in law enforcement.